Short story: The Power of Creative Introductions. On the first day of her facilitation workshop, Amina stood in front of a group of slightly anxious university students. Instead of asking them to go around and say your name, she handed out small index cards and gave the instructions clearly. You have 3 minutes. Write down 3 words, phrases, or symbols that represent who you are and what you bring to this group. Think beyond your major or your role. What will help us understand how you work, think, and connect. There was hesitation at first. Some scribbled quietly, while others exchanged curious glances. Then one by one, students began sharing. A business student held up storm, glue, second gear. A design student said, soft speaker, fire under pressure, observer. Each introduction sparked conversation, laughter, and questions. By the end, the room had transformed. What started as a group of strangers was now a circle of emerging teammates, already understanding each other through creative reflection. Later, Amina explained, that wasn't just an icebreaker, that was group development. Now we can start working as collaborators, not just classmates. From that point on, the group's dynamics shifted. Roles felt clearer, trust began to form, and participation became the norm.